Okay, so what kind of situation do we currently have from a monthly perspective on Icon BTC? Now, what we can see on the monthly is that the market has created a nice impulse to the downside, then started an even stronger retest of this previous support here. Now turned resistance at this area, the market hit it and rejected very aggressively to the downside. So what we have here from a monthly perspective is a clear rejection of this previous support, which is now turned resistance here. Now, from a monthly perspective, everything is clear. Let's go down on the daily and see what kind of situation we have. Now, from a weekly perspective, what we can see is that after the impulse, the market started this correction, and we can expect a retest of the level again. Why? Because this retracement was very, very strong and created this candle here with a very long wick, and this wick hasn't been filled yet, which is something that happens over and over again. So there is more liquidity here to be taken, and we can definitely expect the market to go and grab it. Now, let's zoom in a little bit on the most recent price action and the structure that the market has here. Now, from a structure perspective, this is what basically has been going on. The market went down, made a high, created a lower low, created an equal high. Now, if you have a movement like this, lower low, equal high, you expect a wave to the downside and the creation of the inverted head and shoulders. Therefore, we can expect a deeper retracement to this level before the continuation to the upside. We go down on the daily time frame. Okay, what we can see on the daily. Now, on the daily time frame, at the same time, we can acknowledge that yes, there is definitely a possibility to make a leg lower to go and grab the liquidity before the move to the upside. But at the same time, we can't forget that we are in a bullish market from a weekly and monthly perspective. Now, on the daily, we can also realize that the structure is absolutely bearish. The market went up, down, created a high, went back down, respected it, broke the level back to the downside, went for the retest, and this is currently what the market did. Up, down, high, respected, broke back down. So now we have this previous resistance here. There was support here. Now it's turned very strong resistance here. Resistance, support, very strong resistance here. And we can expect from here to see the market make a move to the downside and basically create this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the downside to go and fetch the liquidity at this level. Now, from a 4-hour perspective, at the moment, everything is bullish. So absolutely, we cannot be looking for any any shorting opportunity yet, because at the moment from here, the market can easily continue to the upside and break all structure to the upside, which is definitely something that would also make sense, because from a weekly and monthly perspective, we can expect the market to go for a retest of that level, meaning that from a short-term perspective, and also medium term, we can expect a move to the upside. So this pattern can easily fail and just break to the upside, but it should complete to the downside for grabbing the liquidity. So how we will be approaching this with students? As usual, we will be reactive and not predictive. We know that there is definitely the possibility to be looking for a shorting opportunity to this level here for the creation of the inverted head and shoulders from a weekly perspective. But at the same time, we know that overall this is supposed to be a bullish market. So if from a 4-hour perspective, we will see the market shift from the bullish situation that we have right now to a bearish market, then we will be looking, if from a 4-hour perspective, for the market to show us one of our valid entries. And as soon as the market will show us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice short with a very good risk to reward and good probabilities for the move to the downside, because at that point, monthly, weekly, and daily time frame will indicate for first a move to the downside and then continuation to the upside. And on the 4 hours, we will see the proper confirmations. On the other side, if everything will remain as it is right now, then this zone will break to the upside. And at that point, what we will be doing, we will be looking for a possible continuation to the upside after the retracement, but I will keep you updated on that. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in the next video.